Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this screen protector from CASEKOO. I really like this brand. This is actually the same type of brand that I use as far as my case on my phone. I did need a screen protector and they sent me this screen protector, which is honestly packaged better than any screen protector I've ever seen. This is a beautiful packaging and everything in here seems to be packaged extremely well. So I'm pretty excited to get in here and see what exactly they've got in here. If you want to come in close, we'll open this up. So inside this kit, if you remove everything out of it, there's actually an auto alignment tool, which is going to help us place this glass piece in. There's also a little stand that comes with it, which is kind of a fun little feature in there. But we're going to go ahead and undo this here. This is going to have all the parts you need to prep your screen. So we've got your wet wipe here that's an alcohol prep pad. We have an embossed piece there that is a cloth that's going to, microfiber cloth, going to remove any additional little bits off of your phone. And then of course you've got your dust absorber, little sticky piece there. So we're going to go ahead and use this piece first. This is going to clean any smudges or any kind of dust or any oils or things off of your phone. Then we're going to use this pad, this microfiber pad, and kind of going to go over the whole thing and just kind of make sure it's all dry. And again, smooth it out, prepped and ready to go. Then if you had any kind of a dust settle on there, you of course have that dust piece. You've got this part here, which is an automatic alignment tool, which we're going to go ahead and put over here. Again, this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And so it kind of basically gets everything lined up exactly where it needs to be, so that whenever we put this on there, sometimes that's one of the difficult parts about this, is making sure these get lined up. Now this is an aircraft grade tempered glass. So it's going to be extremely strong and extremely clear, extremely scratch resistant, which is great. So this should last a really long time. We're going to peel that off of there, put the sticky side down, and just line it up here using this alignment tool, which should have it just drop right into place, just like that. And then it should just go right on down over there. They do give you this little piece here, this little felt piece. You can see the bubbles are already going to the edge. Felt piece to help you kind of push that down all the way to the bottom to get it all perfectly put down. Okay. This is now on here. It's super clear, super responsive on here. I mean, no lag at all. It's as if it wasn't even there. This should provide some excellent coverage for your phone.